So how can you write on the iPad instead of typing? Let's explain that. But if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe to it and you're not going to miss anything important. So what you probably want to do is just to use your handwriting on your iPad and you don't really use the keyboard. So for example, you can go to your notes, you can have your stuff ready and whatnot, and using the Apple Pencil, what you need to do is to select the AA button, right? So you essentially want to use and activate the Apple Pencil, make sure that the controls are going to appear. And obviously you can also use your finger for it, but on the scribble feature, when you go to the pen tools, you don't want to have the pencil selected, but you want to have the A button here. So essentially now I can just grab my finger and write in whatever I want, and it's just gonna recognize that text as long as I write it down properly. Obviously, it doesn't always work the best, or it doesn't work it's not going to be as reliable as using an actual keyboard, but it can save you a lot of time because it can transform the handwritten text into a typed text on iPad very simply. So that's kind of how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to successfully do this. Most definitely subscribe for tips and guides like this one, and I'll catch you later in the next tutorials.